Okay.
This video, we're gonna... Oopsies.
Oopsie, guys. Bye. Good luck.
Guys, today, we are gonna do a drawing competition! Tracy, are you ready?
Yes, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
First, what should we draw?
Yeah.
What should we draw, Tracy?
Gabby?
Okay, guys, we're gonna draw Gabby's dollhouse character.
Yeah.
And you should rate our drawings in the comments below. Tracy, this is the colors.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go! Gabby. I don't have to do that. It's Gabby. I'm doing Gabby. Uy, nagtitingin sa akin.
Tracy, stop saying Filipino. Okay?
Okay. So let's do the jacket.
Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you, me and Tracy are Filipino, and this is our first video in YouTube.
Yeah.
Subscribe now!
Hey, Gabby. Come to the dollhouse.
Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you, we put this sign so no one can copy our drawing.
Yeah.
Because Tracy is a cheater.
Yeah, I know. I'm not a cheater, bro.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah. This is very pretty, though. Let's do the...
Oh my god, my drawing is so bad.
Can you see?
No. No, Tracy, no.
Oh, it's a drawing competition pala. Let's do her body. Circle here. And some there.
I'm done, everyone.
We're
Let's
in a-
click this button if we're done.
Color ka na.
Ah, let's color pa pala.
Oo nga.
I forgot.
Yeah, I forgot. I need brown. I need black. Let's start. I need pink. We need pink. Where's the pink? Where's my pinky? There, pink.
Tracy, always close the cap.
Brown. Oh, Debbie has two colors. These are colors. So let's do. My drawing is so
Hey,
tiny.
don't look!
No, I'm not done yet because it's only it.
Oh my god, you're just gonna restart, guys. So let's just cut the video and let Tracy that. Okay, guys, see you later.
Bro! Cheaters!
Okay, guys, are you there? Okay, we're back now. Tracy's done coloring. Now,
Right.
sorry for the late because Tracy's drawing was so small. So, yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
Now, let's start coloring.
Let's do this brown. Her hair is actually brown. When I saw you, I see you see my drawing, huh?
I'm done. Mine is so ugly, guys. Oh my god.
You're so pretty. Only two colors, right? How many would you get? 2?
Yeah, I guess.
Only 2 colors, right?
Oh my god, look a little axolotl! Wow.
Yeah, so cute!
Tracy, start coloring. Don't be distracted.
Yeah, stop it distracting too.
Okay, guys.
Get that away.
Just let Tracy stop coloring and let you see later. Hi guys, we're back. We're done coloring and then we're gonna show you our drawings and
Wait!
let you guys read it in the comments. Tracy, are you done?
Read it in the
Oh
comments.
my god! Look me first. Look.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute!
Tracy's turn. Who's that?
Gabby.
Wow, it's so cool.
So this is my drawing after. What you
Yeah.
gotta draw next?
So guys, the video's done and
Hoy! Papang drawing!
oh yeah, bye guys. See you in the next video and always subscribe and comment down below and rate. Guys, what happened to you?
I want to do it again.
It's fine. Tracy, bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello. Let's do rate, guys. Rate. Tracy, rate. Tracy's sad today because she wants to do it, but the video is done. Bye, guys. My name is Troy.
My name is Tracy.
And Troy and Tracy's Wonderland. Bye, guys.